Welcome back to yet another round of Exploding Record Roulette. In the last tragic bout, you saw Frosty get defrosted. You saw Thonga, the pumpkin here, go flying out of the arena. She's a frickin' astronaut. Hopefully this time, we're gonna pop her. Thonga doesn't know it, but I've shortened her stand, thus putting her directly in the line of fire. As My Little Pony has also had his feet trimmed a little so that he, she, it, who cares, it's baked, is also in the line of fire. Luscious Lori, she is really nosing into this one. Mr. Stick Part 2, I don't think anybody gives a shit about him anymore. Joining us in the arena for its first shot at glory, Crappy Shack the Remote. Yeah, it's a beautiful universal remote that doesn't work universally. At least they got that part right. So, we have our 5 contenders here. In the chamber today is a big Columbia. 55030. Another Morton Gould special. This one's called The Donkey Serenade. Yeah, I know. Perfect. You can't make shit like this up. Donkey Serenade. Well, this donkey is going to sing to our 5 contestants here, and I think some of them are going to choke on it. If you know what I mean. As always, we'll ramp her up to 10 volts, wait for it to stabilize. This record is cracked. Badly cracked, but we'll see what she can do. Our motor is struggling. It now takes 15 volts to get her to start to spin. Oh, Lori, you're going to eat that like an 80s Coke whore. Oh, there went Frosty's nose. Please remember, at this point in our game, the motor is in the arena as well. She can't take much more of that, I am sure. Okay, let's pour on the coal. I saw Lori's head come up above the arena. Oh, sweet Jesus, Mr. Stick. Today, I think, is a somber day. A day of mourning. We've lost 2 champions. We've lost the Memmersuck, and now, the greatest champion of them all, Mr. Stick, Part 2, is down. Oh, buddy. Buddy, that grimace is genuine now. Oh, took him off at the kneecaps. Sad day for all of us. Luscious Lori, still holding strong. Little record embedded in her lip there. What is it about you? You sweet, sweet thing that makes you so tough and yet so appealing. I don't even think my little Stony here got hit. Clearly not. She's got some record in her tail. Little wild child now. But, yeah, that's fine. It looks like some residual damage here. A little bit of backwash shrapnel damage, but otherwise, Crappio Shack has lived to not work another day. Well then, there's a concerned member of our local community in the driveway, so I'd better go talk to them and let them know that, no, I am in fact not dead or shooting things in the arena.